Hey, see this? I was crossing the Mississippi River, and I saw this, and I thought, oh, a paddle boat. Wow, that's cool. One of them casino boats that float up and down the river. Wrong. It's a building. I was so upset. Yeah, it's a building. It's still pretty, though. Yeah, still pretty. Kind of wonder what it was like back in the day. You know? Well, let's go down here and see what's here. Parking garage. Parking garage. So parking. See, I'm touring parking lots again. I know. I cracked myself up. Yeah, that's a creepy bridge I had to cross. Yeah, scary. I gotta go up here to the gas station and gas station and see if Mr. Zippy Pants coming down there really fast. What'd you do? Lose your money? Okay, we're going out. We're going out. I got to go to the gas station and hunt up a place to park tonight, so I'll be back. I love the wood that they made this wall out of. It's beautiful. I don't know what all those things are.